Previously on.
How old are you now? 64! Big fire, big fire, big fire, big fire. We have this same 24 hour. Me a dreaming, and same thing you feel the one happy in that area.
Sup, guys? I don't care. Anyways, you guys, it's Saturday, June the 4th. Today is somebody's birthday.
Anna Maria's birthday was yesterday.
Who? Anyways. So, it's Saturday, June 4th. This little girl, I don't know why she wants to come outside with me today.
I'm bored at home.
You don't have homework?
Yeah, but just an essay, and I already wrote the essay. I just have to type it, and I can do that anytime.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna head home because I'm gonna go get my nails done, and they need to be done. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, she doesn't need to be in this part, you guys. Okay, so
You can say the thing.
yes, you guys, I actually want something from Tim Hortons. Okay, well, you guys, okay. So this morning, right, I woke up and checked my emails. And you guys, I know you guys must know her, but Tati, good girl, Tatiana, yes, she subscribed to my channel. She was like, I didn't know you had a channel. Like, girl, yes, I be had one. Thank you, Tati. Yo, you guys don't understand. I love her, you know? I love her. Like, I don't know how I didn't find out about, I feel the same way. I don't know how I didn't find out about her channel sooner. Like, I wish I had known about her channel before I had gone down, because we were there around the same time. So, you know, but Christmas, Tati, may I come down Christmas, you understand? So, almost can link up. For real though, I was so excited. I was like, yo, you know when one of your favorite YouTubers, well, if you guys are YouTubers, you can relate. But when you like somebody and like they find your channel and they acknowledge the fact that they watch your channel, it's so cool. It's so cool.
Can I get a frozen lemonade?
You can get anything that your money can buy.
Yeah.
That's what I want. Thank you. From me, a little boy.
You want to drive you?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, I remember one time, that's our neighbor. That's me with the dog.
Okay. Yes, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Big up yourself, Tati. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoy my content like I enjoy yours, okay? Okay.
How much is a medium frozen lemonade?
I don't know, Kashaya. When they ask you for
It's less than $4.
It's less than $4. I think it's like 2 something.
Good.
Because the small one is $177. Because that's what I'm getting. To bring this guy's car back. I feel like he's gonna want to play a game by 1 o'clock. So my car back. So yeah, I'm just with my niecey today. Don't know what we were really gonna do. You want to record a video with me?
Sure.
I want to see if Fluffy will come down. She wants to do the chubby bunny. I want to do the chubby bunny.
Is that the one where you see how many marshmallows you can put in your mouth?
Yeah.
At least she's saying to you something.
I know. You're welcome. Who the frick? No problem.
Like, I don't freaking see her. Like, what the hell is she honking for?
It's freaking people. And she's driving a Range, daddy. Shit. We can't take some black people, you know, trust me. Really and truly, we can't take some black people. I don't know what I didn't see so.
She's white.
The lady behind.
Yeah, she's white.
Not the one that's driving.
Oh, true.
She's probably like, where's this girl going? I don't think she knows how to drive. Yo, it's summertime, you guys. It's summertime. I'm going shopping with my sister tomorrow, thank God.
Oh, I thought you were going shopping today.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go do my nails today. I told you today I want to record.
Can we go to H&M? I have a card.
Krisha, what was the last vlog you watched?
Jeez.
They were all like, Zoe, start a YouTube channel. I'll watch. And then you start one.
That's what you're gonna say, right?
What?
And they don't watch. That's what you're
I wasn't gonna say anything. I stopped saying what I needed to say.
Okay. Drive up more.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry? Could I get what lemonade do you want? Which one?
Regular.
Can I get 2 medium lemonades, 1 frozen, 1 raspberry? And can I get a strawberry shortcake donut, please?
Oh, can I get a donut with the cream inside?
Yes, 1 strawberry shortcake donut. Which one with the cream inside? The Boston cream?
Yeah, Boston cream.
And a Boston cream if you have. That's everything. Thanks.
How much? $3.75?
$7.75.
Jesus.
I have a toonie. Good old toonie. This is a Canadian $2, you guys. For those of you who are not from Canada and don't know, this is a Canadian toonie. Canada. I always say Canada. But this is a Canadian. Huh?
What?
I do say Canada sometimes.
Nice.
Yeah, this is it. I don't know why you guys can't really see Wagwan right now, but whatever. Can't wait to do my claws because they look like claws and they look terrible. Ooh, my total is $7.75.
Hi, would you like a tray?
Hi, yes, please. I feel so claustrophobic. No problem. Ooh, sorry. Here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
What's a strawberry shortcake donut?
The same ones that you were gulping down when Nana brought them. But what's a strawberry shortcake donut? This one doesn't have enough. I'm addicted, you guys.
I thought you were talking about the other one. Like, what Nana... Oh, so there's this time where we went to McDonald's. Like after Nana's thing, we went to McDonald's.
Just this one?
Yeah.
Why, you guys didn't eat?
No, that's not why. We went for like dessert. Cause like I didn't get cake and Tia didn't get cake.
Neither did I.
Yeah. Cause I don't eat that cake. So like we went to McDonald's and there was this guy, like he kept stealing the stuff, like people's food. So like they would have to like keep making more. So like in the beginning, like we were standing waiting in line, and after we ordered, he came up, like he came through and he's like, he showed a little ticket, like not really fast, but he's like, you know, like this. He's like, oh, my friend ordered a junior chicken and he never got it. And she's like, okay, can I get a junior chicken? And he's like, and a small fries. Like, so you know that he didn't really order that,
right? Because
like he's just adding on stuff. And then after, like he was just waiting, and then I saw it with my own eyes because he was there and I was here, and like she put fries. It wasn't his, but she put like a medium fries and a muffin, and it was our muffin, and she put it like on the counter. And the guy
is so tired that he lets you have the car for the day because all he wants to do is sleep. So excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Nan's first.
You're gonna Nana's?
I'm gonna go to the shop.
She's there?
No, but I'm gonna change out the bottle. I'm gonna see if she has bottles that need to change out. If she has bottles that need to change out, I'll change them out for her. You wanna see Nana? For what? I don't want to see her. You should see. I saw her yesterday. Her mouth is swollen. I'm like, go to the doctor. Like, that looks abnormal. Like, that's not normal. I'm like, my teeth hurt me all the time and my face doesn't swell up to that extent. She's like, oh, you always make everything so bigger than what it actually is, Zoe. It's not that serious. I said, all right. Oh, you guys, my hair.
My mom did it.
Yes, she did, but I told her how to do it.
My mom did it.
Because I was so lazy. Yes. No, you could not have. I wonder if Fuffy wants me to come pick her up. Anyways, guys, be back. Like a zebra. Are you dumb? But a cute one. Although I do use that filter on Snapchat. I do be snapping and be using the zebra filter. Yeah. Nails done. Where's the thing? So short. You take it off now. Guys, I'm taking Kashaya home and she's so tired. My neck. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, she's so tired. Yeah, so taking her home. Can you guys see me? Because I swear, this is what it looks like when I record in the car. And then when I edit, I can see myself. So I don't know. Hopefully y'all can see me. If y'all can't, it's too bad. Love you. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just waiting now for the next bus. And then on to the train. And then the next bus. And then we walk. And she'll be home. Somebody has a piggy bank at home? Oh, look at my teeth. Look at mine. Ew, is there something in there? Oh no, it's just a little space. Oh my god, who remembers these water fountains? Ah, oh my god! Guys! Going shopping.
You have water?
My sister's so gonna be like, listen, I do not want to be on that thing.
Do you have water?
Who, me?
Yes.
No, but open your mouth. There's water coming down. Natural water. So tired, but we're going shopping. Super excited. Haven't shopped in so long. Tell you. Ooh, I like this. Go slower. Go faster. Like controller. Controller. Where's the sales? Was it just outside? And I've never wanna wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna. Guys, no, taking these glasses. They're donuts. How cute. I actually want these glasses. Would I be stupid if I wore these? Tisha, you're buying shoes?
I know, but I don't know the size.
Whoa. What is going on?
Oh, do not.
She's buying
No.
shoes.
I'm trying them on.
Oh my god. This is like a monumental thing in life. Oh, I like these glasses, you guys. Can you see them? It don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now. I'm working on. Oh my gosh, no, Lati. What about the? Oh, look at these ones. Oh my god. No, but look at them. They're so cute. Oh, there's a discount. I'm gonna hold on to them and see. Okay, let's see, Tisha. I like the tan. Ooh. Tisha, where are you gonna wear these to?
I'm just trying to know how they feel buying them. And they hurt my feet already.
Really? You're so weird.
Look at my foot. It's not even. What am I, flat footed? What do you call it?
I don't know, but that happens to me sometimes
it
too.
hurts.
But
I don't like the arch.
ugh. Look at these bath suits. I really like this one, but you know, instead of belly thing, it's not right. So I had to go like an eye waist. Oh, I seen this in Tati's vlog when she went to freaking Blue Hole. I was like, oh, I want one. They're $20. Not bad. This is my section, the sales section, Negro. You know, they have jackets. 70. They're 50% off. It's pretty cool. Hot dogs. This is the best part of the trip. When you come and you buy a hot dog. Go invading the people that have privacy. It's not on you, I promise. So you scrounged. Ooh, it looks so clear today.
What, my face?
So good. You're not in it. My sister's insane. I don't know why she's so scared of the. Just give it to them. Say hi. Say what's up, girl. Say hey, what's up, hello. This is for like your next birthday post.
Fish. I don't feel like going out to cook.
Exactly, I told you it looks terrible. Did you guys enjoy your shopping experience?
Yeah, it was alright. Oh, I'm
What, your hair's done, you can't complain.
So?
So? Every day it's something. Oh, my hair. Oh. No? No, s'il vous plaît money.
What's the job? All the way home?
No, halfway.
We should be
Of course, all the way.
You need to go to the bathroom? I can wait. Okay. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate.
Oh my gosh. Cheers, mates.
Don't do that, please. You hear me? Do not do that.
Do what?
Don't put me.
I can crop you out.
Yeah, but you might as well do it from now.
Yes, but it's I can't. Like, you say this every time. Latoya, I can crop you out. I can edit. Oh my gosh. Is she crazy?
Oh my girl.
And pay attention to the road and your cold tea. She tried to take us on like a roller coaster experience. Trying to knock the phone out of my hand. It's like subliminally, they don't know. What did I just say? Subliminally. That doesn't sound right. Subliminally. Ooh! She didn't think I knew what she was doing. Wow, it took me that long to say subliminally.
This past week that there was an existing remix.
Okay, bye.
One.
If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it.
Hold on, guys.
When it's sweet, what you say? I made that doggy side, puppy whisper. My cocky so hot it give the fire fever. If you can't book it off, hasta la vista. Have a pussy, power, grab it, Lego, quick, lower.
I don't know. My mom taught me how to speak Gypsy. Oh, if you don't know what Gypsy is, it's a language. I don't know if them do it anywhere else, but me know them do it at Jamaica. Some people know how to speak Gypsy, some people don't. My mother did teach me how to speak Gypsy, and then when I got middle school, I did link up with other people who were from Jamaica, so they taught me like other ways to speak it. But there's 2 ways to speak Gypsy. I can speak it actually very well. It's so funny sometimes when my mom just gets into it and I'm like, what did you say? Because she doesn't remember that I know how to speak it. But like Vibes Cartel, Bella Pest Follow-Puck, that's best fuck. You give me the Bella Pest Follow-Puck, and then Bella Pest Follow-Puck, and then there's Babes for Puck. Okay, let me say my name is Zoe. That's one way. And then the other way is Mapina Pay Mapizza Poa P. That's the other way. So yeah.
Forget me not when it's sweet, yo. What you say?
Pop, 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 pop. Fever. Fire Panani.
I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow. On the beach, everybody want go. On the beach, everybody want go. On the beach, everybody want go. Good party, run up like wow. Everybody feel happy. It's all weekend. You know the school show.
You know it's summertime when they start talking about Dream Weekend. I really want to see if I can make it to Jamaica, you guys. Even if I go for a week, like just sneak and go for a week, like lie and say me I got work and I make it. Like don't tell nobody, my mom, Marlon, nobody. Wanna think me should I do it? Just go out there for a week and just go Dream Weekend. I'll come back on my yard. Cause I don't even go to all the parties. Like I'd go to all white and maybe Way and Wild. Every massive. That's so disrespectful. You guys, I thought this weekend's vlog was gonna be so much more turned up. I was supposed to go to an amusement park with my cousins and Bailey, but as normal they always flop, so that didn't happen. And I hate when I like message people about something that they bring to me, like, oh, let's go here, and then I message them about it and then they ignore me about it, especially in Snapchat. Like, don't ignore me on Snap and then Snap and then talk to me the next time you see me like everything's cool. Like, don't ignore me. Like the whole point of Snapchat is to snap and chat. If I snap you and it's a talking snap me back. Don't just read it and be like, okay, like she snapped me. Like, some people just don't fucking understand social media, and that shit pisses me off. But anyways, I'm gonna go eventually by myself with other people that are serious about life, because now with this whole YouTube thing, it's like, it's more difficult. I don't know how to explain it, but like I have to do stuff. I can't just sit around and like wait for things to happen. I kind of have to like plan and be like, okay, it's the weekend, I have to go do this, or I have to go do that. You know what I mean? I don't really want to pass this light. You know what I mean? So like it pisses me off when people are like, okay, let's link up or whatever, and they don't come through, because like I'm like, okay, like I'll plan for that. I'll be like, okay, well I can vlog this, I can vlog that, like shit like that, and other people just don't freaking get it. But like, it's annoying, you guys. So if you guys say, Zoe, let's do this, let's really do it. Don't tell me we're gonna do it and then we don't fucking do it. Like, that shit's hella fucking annoying. Anyhow, other than that, and other news, what else happened this week? Nothing. I uploaded 3 videos this week as normal. I uploaded, I think it was the So Many Birthdays vlog, my cupcake stand DIY tutorial, and another vlog, the vlog with Fluffy, where Fluffy comes to see me. Yeah, that was this week that I uploaded that, guys. And then yeah, I'm thinking of doing a sunglasses haul, so I don't know if that will be up before this vlog goes up or sometime around this time. And I also want to do like a summer lookbook. I'm just not sure if I want to pick like one item and how to style that, like for fluffy girls, you know, because I'm fluffy. Because I'm fluffiers, you know, so sometimes it's kind of hard being fluffy and like wanting to wear things that skinny people wear, but you can't wear it because you're just too a little bit curvy-ish and it doesn't fit you the same way that it would fit them. So certain things just don't fit my body type and it's really annoying or whatever. But I'm losing weightish, you guys. A little bit of weightish, a little bit. I am kind of, yeah, I am a little bit. I don't need you guys' permission, or you guys don't have to comment on that, but I am. I know it in my spirits. I really do think that that's all that happened. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. I wonder if he's sure, because Ochi isn't in Jamaica. I know he's been in the bin for a while, but there's a lot of things that people thought were in Jamaica that aren't actually in Jamaica. Now it's hella hot. Yeah, but shopping was good today. I'm gonna go do a little groceries. I'm gonna go cook something real quick. And then Marlon's cousin Kim wants me to do her hair. So I'm gonna do what I can really quick. Go do that, see if I can be home by like 8, which is in about 4 hours. And you guys will notice that there are going to be a lot of kids that are going to be missing from the vlogs, in case you guys haven't already realized. But there's about 7 kids that are going to be missing from the vlogs. And our life, that's how it go. You understand? And yeah, but yeah. Okay, bye.